Jeez. Where's your brother?
You're so mad. You can play, buddy.
He has no idea.
What kind of dog is this?
We have really no idea.
They say he's a puggle. It's his first time off the leash at the park, so.
Oh,
Yeah, we're trying.
cute. A puggle.
He doesn't. I don't think he is.
Hugging a beagle?
Yeah.
But it doesn't seem like it. I mean, he's.
He's got like a Rhodesian.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
Go play with your brother. Go play with your brother.
Yeah, he's still young and first time off the leash, so.
So how big is he supposed to get?
He's just full grown. I think it's he's supposed to get. I think that he
He's
was supposed to actually be.
He's about 10 months
right?
now, so.
Was he supposed to be smaller than he is?
Yeah, he's already doubled the weight of his parents. Diesel's running over there. Why don't you play with your brother? Why don't you play with your brother?
Where's your brother?
Go get your brother.
Where is he? Oh, there.
Diesel's right there. Yeah, good. Good.
Oh, good job, y'all.
Wants to go see what Diesel's doing?
Go get these. Go.
He's scared. Diesel being alright?
Dace!
Diesel!
Dace!
He's humping.
Dace!
Diesel!
Dace!
Oh,
Oh,
Come on, let's go yell at your brother.
come on, Dace. Get him. Got a whole yard full of. Oh, he's so much faster. Oh, look out.
Let's start walking, see if they follow. He seems better behaved.
He's totally slower. He's too slow, mister. Oh!
Go this way.
That's not fair. Why aren't your legs moving fast, huh?
Pin him down.
You know, we bring you to the dog park so you can mingle with other dogs.
That's why I'm trying to go that way. Because there's other dogs. Maybe he'll do something. You can try to check it.
Oh, we'll wait on that one. He's occupied. You're free, boss. Free to roam. Whoa. Free to kick up some stuff and roll in it. Yeah.
Okay, come on, Nick.
What happened, Boston?
Look at DC, he's barely going. Oh, goodness. Oh, look out.